Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is interview question. Have you ever considered starting your own business? Now, ladies and gentlemen, most of the times this question comes in front of experienced professionals. The people who are having a certain level of experience working in a particular profile in a particular industry, the HRs often ask this question to such candidates that are you planning to start your own business? Or why don't you plan your own business? You are having so much experience. Now, sometimes in response to this question, the candidate says that definitely, sir, ma'am, I am planning to start my own business. In fact, as you are saying, I have gained a huge experience working in this specific profile, working in this specific field. And I also think that I have become knowledgeable enough that now I can start my own business. Now, this is the response that candidates give in front of HR, which is a highly negative response, ladies and gentlemen. Now, HR is asking that why are you not planning your own business in this particular domain? Because you are having a huge experience of working in this domain. Why you are not planning your own business? The candidates start thinking that the HR is looking for business mindset of the candidate. But this is a huge misconception, ladies and gentlemen. When the HR is hiring you, the HR will always want you to work with full dedication towards his organization. It is a tricky question. It is not a straightforward question that HR will be happy to know that you are planning some kind of business for yourself. This is a tricky question. The HR clearly wants to know that whether your aims and aspirations are in direction of your own personal growth or in the direction of the growth of the organization that you want to join. I would like to repeat this statement. The HR clearly wants to know that whether your aims and aspirations are in direction of developing yourself, your own personal business, or since you desire to be the part of a particular company, so whether your aspirations are in direction of upgrading that industry or not. And if your aspirations are in direction of upgrading yourself, you will never work with full dedication towards the company that you are going to join. Always remember this. If the HR thinks that your dedication is towards your own self-improvement, towards your own self-development, you will never work with full dedication towards the company. Your entire aim in life should be development of your company and not your own personal development. So this is a tricky question, ladies and gentlemen. So when the HR says that are you planning to start your own business, and you start flaunting that yes, since I am having so much experience, definitely I will go for starting my business. Let me analyze your company. Let me take some more experience from your great organization. And after that, definitely I am planning to start my own business. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you answer like this, the HR is not going to hire you. The HR is not going to hire you. Clearly, the HR will understand that your entire focus is on establishing your own business. You just want to gain a little bit understanding related to your business by joining their organization, and once you get that understanding, immediately you will leave their organization. That's why whenever the HR is asking this question that are you planning to start your own business, straight away you say that no, I'm absolutely not planning to start my own business. I think I still need to learn more, and in near future also I have no such idea in my mind that I will ever start my own business, because honestly speaking, I'm not having enough knowledge that I can start my own business. In order to start my own business, I still need to work for 10 to 15 years in industry. According to my current knowledge, according to my current caliber, because everybody knows about himself. Every individual knows about himself. Every individual knows that whether he will be able to run a business or not, whether he will be able to start a business or not. We are always sure about our own abilities. So that's why whenever the HR is asking this question, straight away you say that ma'am, sir, the kind of experience that I have gained till now, I don't think that experience is enough to start a business. I still need to learn more. So right now, I have no such plan to start my own business. I still need to work for at least 11 to 12 years so that I can become intelligent enough to start a profitable business. In order to start a business, you must be highly intelligent, you must be highly intellectual, you must have analytical abilities. And right now, the kind of experiences that I have, I must say I am not having these qualities in my personality. Straight away, ladies and gentlemen, the kind of experiences that I have gained till now, the number of years for which I have worked till now, according to my personal calculation, I must say I'm not having that knowledge that I can start a business. So right now, there is no plan of starting any business. I'm not willing to start any business. I just want to work for your organization so that I can learn more, and that's all. That is the only aim in my life. Ladies and gentlemen, always try to understand this thing that HRs are always asking tricky questions. HRs always ask tricky questions so that the candidate becomes mentally unstable and he starts answering in a wrong way. And the moment he starts answering in the wrong way, they get a point of rejection. Most of the times, my seniors and my superiors in different industries where I have worked, they always used to say that facing the HR is a hiring process, but in certain way, it is a rejection process also. They used to say, ladies and gentlemen, my seniors and superiors, that sitting in front of HR is a hiring process, but in a certain way, it is rejection process also. Why it is a rejection process also? Because they often ask such type of questions. And once you give wrong answer to such kind of tricky questions, they get a chance to reject you. And most of the times, if you face different types of interviews in different types of organization, you might have observed this thing yourself also, that HR sometimes ask very tricky question. They want that point so that they can reject you. But you need to be highly stable mentally so that you can handle all the questions tactfully and you can get selection in good organization. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that every time you can get the instant notification whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. Thank you very much. Have a great day.